Welcome back to Theory Unlocked. I'm Toby, and in episode 12 of your premium series, we're shifting focus from the road to the machine. Today is all about vehicle maintenance, your legal and safety responsibilities for the car itself. A well-maintained car is a safe car. We're going to simplify the most common checks, the tyres, the fluids, and those confusing warning lights, so you can quickly identify a problem, avoid fines, and prevent a breakdown. Tyres: grip, pressure, and the legal limit. Your tyres are the single most important safety feature, as they are the only part of the car touching the road. The law requires you to have at least 1.6 millimetres of tread over the main part of your tyre. Why? Because worn tyres mean you will skid easily and take much longer to stop, especially in the rain. The simple check: look for the bars. You don't need to get a ruler out and measure 1.6 millimetres. The easy way to check is to look for the tread wear indicators. These are small, hard bars built right into the main grooves of the tyre. Where does the theory meet the practice here? If the main rubber surface of your tyre is level with or below those little indicator bars, your tyres are illegal and dangerously bald. Your action is to replace them immediately to avoid a hefty fine and a potential accident. Pressure checks. Correct tyre pressure is vital for grip, handling, and fuel economy. You should check your tyre pressures at least once a week or before any long journey using the information found in your vehicle handbook or sometimes inside the fuel filler cap. Never check pressure immediately after a long drive. You have to wait until the tyres are cold. Damage inspection. Regularly look for cuts, bulges, or cracks. A damaged tyre wall can lead to a sudden blowout, a high-speed emergency we want to avoid. Fluids, lights, and the red alert. Now let's look under the bonnet and at the dashboard. Under the bonnet first. You need to know how to check 3 essential fluids. The engine oil. This should be checked regularly using the dipstick. Never let it fall below the minimum mark. To check it, you pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, dip it back in, and then pull it out again and see if the oil is between the maximum and minimum marks. Next, you have the engine coolant or the antifreeze. This prevents the engine from overheating. You can check the level against the max-min marks on the side of the reservoir. Never open the cap when the engine is hot. Brake fluid. This can be checked in exactly the same way as the coolant. You always have a max-min line on the side of the reservoir tank. Another one to check is your windscreen washer fluid. While not safety critical, running out is illegal, as you must maintain a clear view while you're driving, so make sure you keep it topped up. Warning lights, the red alert. The colour of a warning light tells you the severity of the problem. If you get an amber or orange light on your dashboard, these are usually warnings or advisories. For example, low fuel, engine management light. You should investigate soon. If it's a red light, this indicates a serious, immediate, and potentially dangerous fault. For example, low oil pressure or brake system fault. Your action, if a red light comes on while you're driving, is to stop the car as soon as it's safe to do so, switch off the engine and investigate, as it could cause overheating of the engine. Time to test your maintenance knowledge. First of all, have a listen to my analysis of this scenario. You're checking your car's tyres. You find a small stone embedded on the main grooves. You're checking your car's tyres. You find a small stone embedded in one of the main grooves. What should you do? My analysis. Stones or grit can be pushed further into the tyre, causing internal damage and potentially a puncture. My immediate action is to safely remove the object before driving. So the correct answer is to stop and safely remove the stone, checking for any resulting damage or air loss. Okay, your turn now. Have a listen to this scenario. While driving, a red oil can symbol illuminates on your dashboard. What is your immediate action? The answer is to stop as soon as it is safe to do so and switch off the engine. Red means serious fault, and low oil pressure can instantly destroy your engine. So there you have it. You've mastered the maintenance checks. Remember, 1.6 mil is the legal limit for tyres, and red lights mean stop immediately as soon as it's safe to do so. This episode was brought to you by Driving with Toby, where theory meets practice. If you would like some more useful resources to help you become a safe driver for life, then head to our website www.drivingwithtoby.co.uk.